Yo, guys. So, today I was doing some research on sentiment analysis from customer service group. I thought some insights from there can be helpful who are trying to increase their customer service and increase their business too. So, before starting, thank you guys for supporting my silly videos and stopping by to watch it. So the idea is listening for the caller's tone and mode to spot perfect moment for upsell or cross-sell your services. All right. So when you are on the phone with the customer, you are not just hearing the words. There are lots more going on. The pitch of their speech and the pitch of their voice, the little pause they take, all these signals can give you a clue about how they're feeling. Right? It's like talking to your girlfriend while trying to understand her mood while not asking her. So if someone sounds and open, there could be great time to mention an update or updated product or bundle service that might help them. Or the other hand, if they are clearly upset, it's better to handle the problem first, then gently suggest the solution that generally address their concerns. Right? So this approach actually doesn't require anything much. Some tools can pick up on a caller's emotion in real time. So here, AI can be a great helpful tool for us. For example, it can give insights about customers who are trying to figure out the voice tones to actively listen for those changes in voice and word choices, right? So by focusing on how the comments sound, it's not just what they say. The agents can also figure out when to introduce something new or hold up. So also, if it's an enterprise thing, like if there is a dashboard for calling solutions, integration of AI in that dashboard can actually generate, pop-ups or some suggestions in the screen based on the sentimental analysis in real time over the from the customer's call. Right. So here to remember, it's important to stay ethical and transparent. You are picking up their phone calls and phone tones and making the conversation smoother and more helpful to increase your business, but not to manipulate them. Right. So always keep your customer's privacy in mind. This is very important. So when you handle things in that way, your customer will trust you more and they will be more likely to welcome a suggestions that truly meet their needs. Because you are being transparent saying, hey, we will try to figure out your call during our customer service experience. You know, we all say that so there can be some extra cost for this sentimental analysis. So this technique, you know, can benefit any industry that relies on customer service calls. Whether you are in retail, travel, insurance, finance, or tech. So every caller wants to feel understood. So if you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up and feel free to share your insights and your opinions, how you want to implement this type of sentimental analysis for your business or not. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you next time.